Hello, I am Paul Estabrooks from Ponsse, North America in Grand Rapids, Minnesota. We're in Finland today with Mr. Jhace Pearson, delivering number 21,000 Ponsse Buffalo forwarder. Jhace, tell me, how did you get into the forestry logging business?
Well, I'm a third generational logger. My grandpa owns a business, and I knew from the day that, well, pretty much ever since Dad started doing it, that I wanted to do it. And yeah, I just wanted to be out in the woods.
Is it true that when you were in kindergarten, you were asked what you were going to do when you grew up, and what did you tell them?
I told them I'm going to be a logger, and here I am.
That's great. It's exciting that you're here today. We appreciate it. We thank you for the opportunity, and looking forward to the festivities that are about to unfold.